What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some of people ivany mouth bust in the night here. Yeah. Ivany chat all different type of things, my people. Remember, from the inception or from the start, when Figure It Out and Hakeem start the series and everything. Remember, Ivany come out and say she know Hakeem from a longer time. You see me, long time she know Hakeem from. And she know Wasp too, that a Hakeem ex-girlfriend. And then she come and say she know Figure It Out. You see me, them used to date, I used to her boyfriend. Some of people I've only have some whole heap of things to say about Hakeem pertaining to being a swimmers, and also Figure It Out pertaining to be a swimmers. You know what I mean? Boy, wanna not take my word for it. Me are just a messenger. You see me I say so. Me are gonna make you hear what Ivany have to say also. We also have share my people. I confirm what Ivany said, because in the story when Ivany I tell it, Ivany phone did get taken at the time, and she was one of the person that was there. You see me? So me hear Ivany I mention this share. So me no know if this a share or is a different share, but me see share come confirm say Ray. So it look like a this a share my people. You see me? So hear me I say we have a bunch of things to share. Me could jump in it.
So what?
Outside of the voice note where we get leak out. Who you tell me and Toto say sit down and record Hakeem and Figure It Out a chat Rosealee?
Hakeem Figure It Out to that class in front of them. I'm up on the phone.
Oh.
Figure It Out that. But look at now, the bottom line is more. Rose play herself. Rose
Nobody
played
mute
herself.
them if you all wanna chat and she mute herself.
That's the bottom line. The bottom line. Rose played herself. And Rose sell out everybody with their own her, and I look out for her. And the people them want cheer her on and cook them live every day. Them kind
Me
of
not
know
care
what
about
going
who
to
consider themselves our minions, Me not follow none of them. You not sleep in them box. I'm not in the chattings with none of them. Rosealee know how me feel about everything. Come in a wall back nothing from her. Nothing at all.
Yeah, but me come up with a set today is that they are willing to tear down everybody. Them willing to drag everybody, but them not drag the snake.
Spice, every time I say you go start your life, Spice, I let out the cat out of the bag for crying me out. You always
Well on them mother.
Later,
Well on them who add up
later.
ticket, me can't add up.
Listen to me now. Listen up, guys. I'm tell you something. I'm a respect you, but the thing like.
I take you up here with, I would add you up here with Tiki.
Okay.
I wouldn't do that. That's about Tiki. You take on them dirty water store them. Me I under the pan them store there. Come in.
But she don't know dirty water store, but
me not know about rudeness.
Think him out. I run Sharon up and
me not know about rudeness and tell me come a foreign. So please keep them rudeness there. Pan your life. You say you forgot click live. Tiki when you go click live, you deal with it. Me I talk about who me mean.
but hold on now. The media is getting deceived. People are forced to pick sides. The people that we are forced to pick sides, they themselves know what is going on, but at the same time, them still are pick sides. So that's why them cause complication and mystery.
Mother right here, so sometimes Rosealee come up on herself and come up in a doubt and stuff about certain things. And the boy sit down and convince Rosealee from now till tomorrow, see how so it go.
Okay, so the Rosealee problem that, and a Rosealee problem
yeah,
that.
but me I tell you, I tell them already. So I know it's hard. Why the Queen's class, everybody
Yeah, break up.
not check out the rules and the flow. Are you hearing me?
But Rosalie not class for body to spice. Rosalie class for body
Hello?
trainer and then may I hear you?
Okay, I thought you said they weren't hearing me. What's going on? Mother, you're mute. Are we having technical issues? Technical difficulties?
Yeah, it looks so. It looks so.
Mother, Mother, all I came up here. Mother, I came up here. Everybody, and not deal with Akim. I'm not willing for tear down everybody and not deal with Akim. All of what was said is looking out for Rosalie's best interest. If I realize that the boy really don't like Rosalie and class Rosalie behind her back, we will talk about it and say, my God. And you know me, I go call and I go say, you can't talk to Rose. You can't tell Rose XYZ becoming a one. She put her. I want to play upon woman emotion and play woman. Me I tell you no man. Me I tell you, but I say some of the woman are so still in a real life too. Uno no look out on
the woman them, the same woman them. Now them a cheer around every day.
I'm going to tell you, say, anytime I don't want come, I come. Because I have something for you. I'm going to tell you, say, anytime I don't want come, I come. Because I have it for you, so I write one for no pork. I want to see. And I must think, so I go come play with them and go around in the corners. Una I go see. Tiki, me not add your mother at the same time. Because
but you have to add on, but Spice, you have to add on none at all. But Spice, you not to add on none at all where you're there. After respect for yourself and the community. You not to add on no time. She was in a blood clot, you want add her, you add her. That's not my problem. Me not blood clot, but no with her, yeah. I'm my Judas.
Every day when I get up, I diss a person. I can't eat Rose. We're tired for tell Rose. We're tired for tell Rose. The Rose look out of your eye. We're tired for say to her, the Rose look out of your eye. Nobody not eat.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, watch some more.
You're not willing for pint out, everybody else willing for drug everybody else. I can't put Rose in an isolation. I want to make sure that she not have nobody around her. Just because of money, wanna do anything. As a man, where's your values? Where's your values? Where is your values? A son easy to sell out for money. For two little kind pan TikTok, you're not willing for do anything. You're not willing for do anything for two little kinds. Me not go down to them dirty store there. We don't know cause me come out. Me don't know about them store there.
No, what's fine? The dirty store there, if you go down in like how the man make it look, how the man make it appear, at the end of the day, Spice, at 2026, the people them see what them see, and them think that them know. But I don't know what the excitement about. I don't know what the fucking drama about. It's something that's thinking splendor. Anyway, she there, me not there. As a member of the LGBT community, I want nothing to do with that germs. Not that time, I want. That's about how they do. If me are dead and she can save me through death.
Spicy, a diamond upon Tiki backup page.
No, it's not the backup page. It's not the backup page. I know that. I know that. You don't want to get up every day and cuss people. A woman me stand for because a woman cheer for me.
Spicy corner. Big up, I love you, girl.
I sit down and make no man use no woman. It's not right. We not to do it. You don't like somebody you go on your ways. You don't like somebody leave them alone. Don't play with people emotion. Don't do it. Yes, she have her ways and she have judgment sometimes.
Rose ate herself she buy the man for do all the things them to her. Move.
Well, the two of them love money. Two of them love money. So, the money powerful.
We can't nice it up. Nice it up.
But hold on now. If she have beg fuck and she not get fuck, what she could do?
You know, man, I send security it up. The girl I say if your car broke down, me will fix your car. And your better age girl, them when you fuck wouldn't fix your car. The girl willing to pay a whole heap of money for your cocky where she just now go get. The man no find her sexually attractive. Because you know can't say the man this and the man gay and the man that.
No,
the
but
man
hold on now.
two girl in a bed one time. It's all about the man a fuck a whole heap of girl, but just not you, Rose. Hygiene wise, him not find you attractive. You're smelly, you're dirty, you're unattractive.
You see?
If you beg a man a pay a man,
I stop talk, girl, next spice talk, if you're
At
like.
the end of the day, I'm going to tell you the God Almighty truth. At the end of the day, I stand for woman and my community. I'm not going to do certain things, so I'm still not going to go them dirty bring down there. Because she not bring me down,
bring down spicy. Because
them
people want to talk about this young man. As if this young but if you
come America. Yes, if you come America and you find a man and the man can't help you, you go in yard, you see it dirty, and you realize that the man have some dirty teeth in his mouth you want fix, you go take him and you go brush him off real nice and real cute, fix him up, and then show him the same love what him do for you. How far will go, someone will go grind, man, and a night time when they go because you know one tell the woman them when they give them some lick, when they kill them with lick, cause you know one them. I don't mean say it, you say it in your voice note to him. How could people get it? A woman must stand for a woman empowerment, me preach. But cheer for woman because a woman cheer for me and my community. So me gotta always cheer for woman and put woman first. Me not agree with no man. I play upon no woman emotion. Now wicked, you're Muslim? You're Muslim, which Christian you be? Which religion you practice, Akeem? You wait for sex before marriage? Which religion you practice? Cause you're the only man, a woman me know all out pan them goodness. A woman me know all out pan them motor flutter. Me never see a man a all out pan for them one yet. So you must Muslim. So me want to ask you, which religion you practice? Which religion? You take the girl for a clown and a idiot. You take the girl for a clown and a idiot. You know what you do? You make she turn against every no call my phone. No call it. Cause me on in a rudeness. Me on in a rudeness. Don't call my phone. Do not. Our mother there. Mother no over here. Do not call my phone. Cause me on in a rudeness. I mean no. Wanna bring me down and class me all about. And drag me about the place. And allow the people them for drag figure. Poor the boy something not like him though. Cause him not really hear. Cause if me hear it, me that tell you no. Me not get fight. Me not read no top state. No man, you don't have to leave. You don't have to leave. Where's the mother? You never deal with women, so they and play with people emotion and come every day come go and like say people against Rosealee. Are you against Rosealee? Are you hate Rosealee? Are you not have nothing for Rosealee? You chat Rosealee, go and chat Rosealee come. Are you not like her? And everybody will like her. You make you sit down and watch your turn against them. Divide and conquer. And that's your strategy. Because you want to have her to yourself. Una wicked and a wicked dirty man. A woman must stand up for. No make what have to open the other chapter. Because if you open the backstage, I get very technical. And you will open the backstage, I get very technical. Una don't want me in a soft girl era. SOFT era. Una don't want me in a soft girl era. Una trouble me. Una trouble a sleeping lion. Mother, where's mother? Where's mother? Mother, come here. There was sassy. They never got other sassy. Una want to cuss off everybody. Una want to cuss off everybody. I and a sister, I had the Eden against Rosealee and the whole only group up in a box every day. Spicy and wicked, Diamond wicked. I will love her. I will been love her. I will been love her. Una come chat off on a mouth, una divide and conquer. That you do cause you want conquer Rosealee. I'm not run no joke or anything. The whole end up on anything or anything. Anything too. And don't make me open the next chapter and for make me head take me and come back live. And I know the backdrop them and go speak to itself. The backdrop will speak for itself. Don't make me head take me and I have to come back live. And not run me off of this. And that me know. So you over Switzerland, hee-haw, back in your little corner. Hee-haw, back in your motherfucking corner. And I'ma send Joe to hold you. I'ma send Joe to hold on to you. You stupid motherfucker. No story I want. Jump in a story. Una no story, una know the root of story. I don't want jump. I want vice note and I get another one there now. Una fire out my gunshot them. Una go do that. Una go do that coming about no love me and me no favorite. And I'm no send no lion and no tigers on a beer. So una go get them. You're wicked. You're wicked against Rose. You're wicked against Rose. And about me and Diamond chat, if she frustrated and call me, she knows she's going to stay with me. So if she frustrated and call me, she call me. I saw it go. When she show me that I bust my drag her. Because you couldn't
understand, say, when you go up on the net, you portray one different story. You know, rape my brother and you know, real. Because if me buy you a watch and simply ask you a question, when you got to tell people, say, oh, I buy a watch and I beg you fuck. What did your scabby girls them buy you for Christmas? If you can't burn a man into a service, once when you scabby them phone, you can ring and say, red tamble and tamble.
Hold on.
Listen to now. If your car broke down a man and wish on your scabby girl them, you can call. So what it means, you also call Rosealee every time you're in a one situation. You call Rosealee. Remember me come out in a business, you know. Remember me come with my business because I must you send this to somebody, Akim, because this is a voice note that was sent to you. This is a voice note that was sent directly to you. Was not sent to anybody else. It was sent to you. So all people get a hold of this. So it could have reached back to me. And then I recorded it Rosealee. So now I walk with the news and I record Rosealee. I've never recorded Rosealee before. Never in the history.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We are done up over here, so and go over there about you. Watch couple more minutes worth of this and then we go over ivany.
Record Rosealee. Never. This is a voice note that she had confidence and trust in you to send, and you send it out. And you watch people beat up on the internet. You watch people beat Diamond. You watch people figure it out like who is the real enemy them. Me nah lie to you, I nah go too much by myself. So when Diamond head mad, Diamond talk, Diamond bust her belly. This when she click for her live and she ready for talk. You know, say shit ain't go down. She can't hold mouth. When Diamond ignorant, me I tell you how she stay, she blaze up like fire, like when you throw cursing in a fire. And really she have a genuine side to her, so she will come back down. But when her head hot, she bust up anything and talk anything. Me I saw Diamond stay, Diamond go class. Now worry on yourself, make a go back piece of the voice note. Cause I not tap the screen, I'm gonna see it reach a 500 top set, so now I have to go leave.
I don't want it be a case where I store them up a bill, but get to understand, say, when you go up on the net, your portray one different story. You know, rape my brother, I you know real. Because if me buy you a watch and simply ask you a question, when you got to tell people say, oh, I buy a watch and I beg your fuck. What did your scabby girls them buy you for Christmas? If you can't burn on a man into a service, which one of you scabby them phone they can ring and say, red tamble and tamble, none of them. You understand? None of them. And a me in a rate. Me in a rate and I be a scabby your fuck. So I'm going to dirty put girl with them hours there yard. Them hours there. People listen to them say, me say can't one bag of thinking girl, them tell me. Women.
Yeah. Back to what me I say. Alright. You know why Rosealee not for talk about no, but Rosealee and Dama for sit down. Cause if it wanna get fuck it wanna all shit up and piss up. If you get fucked, Dama, and if Rosealee get fucked, it wanna all shit up and piss up. But you have one brown boy. You have one batty boy by the name of Nicholas. You see the batty boy when name Nicholas in brown, short, him have money you fuck. Nicholas and the one that where Akima talk to now. Where the Batman where Akima talk to? Where Batman name where Akima talk to? Again. The one of them got Panama. Snow. Nicholas and Snow, them are good friend. You see when Akim used to left Jamaica and got Panama, and Nicholas him used to go to first. Nicholas fuck off the whole of them. And Nicholas have the money. Snow have the money too, but at the time just a come and Nicholas have the money, and then we got Panama and Nicholas buy them how much top shoes, how much top clothes. Then we got Dominica Republic. Then we got be a little small island, one little brown one named Nicholas. Him cuss me off one time, tell me how my pussy shit up, cause me the bust them secret one time, cause me spot them all the while. When Javi come in place and know about Akim. Javi and Akim no fuck, but Javi and Akim a fuck man. So for everybody we have said Javi and Akim there, the two of them not there, but the two of them there with man. Nicholas have one friend where Javi used to talk to. That the boy they have one big blood clot Tinkerbell tattoo in her back. And that the boy the Javi follow and go get the Tinkerbell where you see her so. And then Akim follow Javi, both her friend. But we don't call it like that's a best friend tattoo. Notice the two of them have the Tinkerbell. Ask them where that Tinkerbell tattoo come from. Me will dig up that boy there and show you it in her back. Javi never have that. You know say one time they out for kill me. Remember I know, me spot them. Me see them on video with Batman when me know a Batman. Me I tell you when it actually come in my eyes, like me actually blood clot. See them with me two eye. That night they them teeth my phone and want beat me up. Oh, remember the girl when named Shay? Me have one friend when named Shay. Slim Shay man. Me and her ever fall out friend back. She skinny. You see that girl when named Shay? You're supposed to know. If anybody knows she not real life, be a Batman she for it. Majority of fear, she used to the braces. Majority of fear friend them. Who know Shay in a real life, and if Shay ever do your braces, pure Batman a Shay friend. You have one plaza when name O'Neill's. O'Neill's, how we call O'Neill's Plaza or O'Neill's Place. You have one plaza we call O'Neill's Place or O'Neill's Plaza, something like that. You see upstairs that plaza, up there me keep my cake sale one time too. You see upstairs that plaza, them always have Batman party. They always have the Batman party, them where they mouth sing a song them and then do some little muggling something. Always upstairs them keep Batman thing up there. And so one night she introduced me to one party, say we all got one party, but I want Batman party. Pay Batman I go up there. And she said, girl, you know, you're not going to believe who I go come, but me not tell you nothing, because you know you love pussy, and it we risk your life now. And then keep karaoke up the two. Yes.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section, you know, long ivany I wait for boss them or something here. Jaja. Because what's some more, my people?
So me I go surprise when me see who come but she not tell me come and me will see for myself Tell me young in and just come at town to one thing. Bear in mind that party is like a drag queen party. Butch in a party, girl will fuck girl. Batman in a party. When me say Batman in a party, Batman they in a shop. Anything where you see in a wig a Batman them. And if you do see one girl, a Butch and Batman are best friend. I probably can tell you, say probably me and Shay are only straight girl in the dance. Cause Shay bring me, you know, me don't know about the party there, Shay bring me. When you look over there, so Batman they pan head top, Batman a wine palm, pay Batman. When we go in at the party, and we are walking, Shay have one friend with par with Akeem them. I'm telling you something. You see Akeem friend them and security a Batman them too. Me know all of them. You see Akeem friend them wanna see. And the look man them wanna say when they claim to see a security. I don't know what mad over them but they look good and then try to be straight. Batman all of them. All a blood clot them a fish. Me know each and every one of them. Some of them all play a match too, but me no call them out because them not involved in this, so me no call them out. When we there now, and me and Shay walk in the party, we got the bar and thing. Me know say them in the party, because me a follow back a Shay. We there at the bar and thing, and we stop at the bar and we there chill. You know, me follow Shay and we chill there so. Shay wave to her friend them and thing. One Batman come over to Shay, hug up me. As me say me now call him name, him popular up on TikTok. Maybe I see him play a match or something. Him hug me up and thing. I watch him go over him section. You see when him go over him section, Akeem was standing over there. And Javi was standing over there. Me not gonna tell no lie, I tell you the story as me remember it. And me not put in nothing, and me not take out nothing. Me never see them a wine pan no man. Me never see no man a wine pan them. I mean, I know if I because me dead and then sister me walk in or what. But them stand up straight and them a rock to them the song we are play in there. The rest of Batman them a dagger each other. When me say man and man, you can't be a man in there. Over one park, one freaky party. One the on stage a suck off food. The other one a twerk. When him a twerk, you can see long body, long down. Who the pan head top. I mean, not telling you like the party is nice. Batman party nice. Because the Batman them a dance. Everybody in at the party. Each and everybody in at the party a Batman. And Javi was in at the party. And blood clot Akeem the day in at the party. When them stand up now, one boy walk over to Akeem. The boy in a, you know them little skirt, they were fluffy. Little skirt, them look like Tinkerbell skirt. One boy in a one little fluffy Tinkerbell skirt and him slippers and him bust down wig and him nails them. And him walk up to Akeem and hug Akeem and Akeem hug him back. And then the boy start dance pan one of Akeem. They see the same boy, I tell us to come heal me with your Akeem friend. The boy did that man, you know. A dance pan Akeem friend. Akeem and Javi stand up now do nothing because as me said they see me. Me take out my phone. And me I swear to God, me take out my phone for kind of me do want to catch them, but at the same time people the back of me can make it look like me I snap them. So but me they a snap and me a video in at the party and thing. Long time me and Shay in at the party and we are chatter, we are drink and we are snap and thing. It so happened that my phone got dead. Remember I know Shay friend them, you know. Shay know everybody in at the party. Shay said me can put my phone for charge right so at the bartender. I asked the bartender she not no charger. She said yes. Charger was long enough for me could have plug in my phone and just put it here. So I never have to take my phone out of my side for she put it down over there. I put on my phone right so and it a charge. I don't know how my blood clot lose focus from look on the phone. Cause through a be a Batman and them a dancing and them a care up themselves and whatever. My daddy and me are watching at the crowd and now remember about my phone we a charge. Yes, when I turn around, for check my phone missing. My phone missing. There was no phone there. I go and bad in the party for my phone and I ask where my phone there, da. I share for make me know, say, she talk loud like she don't know where the phone there, but through me I get loud or whatever. You know what she whisper in her ears and say, Vanya, now go win even if you see her who take your phone. Just make it go on and make it go. You can't talk. What you mean by this sound makeup? My long time, I never fully talk out the story, yeah? But anytime I say one and just put it here, so I never have to take my phone out on my side for she put it down over there. I put on my phone right here, so I need to charge. I don't know how my blood clot lose focus from look on the phone. Cause through a be a Batman and them are dancing and them are care up themselves and whatever. My daddy and me are watching at the crowd and now I remember about my phone we are charge. Yes, when I turn around, I check my phone missing. My phone missing. There was no phone there. I go and bad in the party for my phone and I ask where my phone there, da. I share for make me know, say, she talk loud like she don't know where the phone there, but through me I get loud or whatever. You know what she whisper in her ears and say, Vanya, now go win even if you see her who take your phone. Just make it go on and make it go. You can't talk. What you mean by this sound makeup? My long time, I never fully talk out the story, yeah? But anytime I say me I talk about Hakeem, I go always talk about how me know them a Batman and my phone went missing. What me I need to tell, bro? Hakeem a somebody when me sleep at Hakeem yard. Me and Javi used to there. When me and Javi left and at a tender age at Ochi. Them the time the Javi not live at town. Javi come from town and Javi move got St. Mary go live. I saw me meet Javi in a country, St. Mary. And me and Javi used to there for almost 6 years, 5 to 6 years. And when me bad, I want to run come a town, come live with Shay. I saw come me run from blood clot Ochi and come a town, come live. Then the time the Javi still a got school at Ochi. Then him start fuck with me enemy them. And because him start fuck with me enemy them, I go fuck with Shay did there with one boy and I go fuck Shay man brother. Then I tell them they already a breed for blood clot Javi. Me tell them the story they already. And then me use Shay now for tell Javi say me fuck pan him but tell him say a joke for see when that say and Shay she with a fake friend go tell the boy say me actually fuck pan him and it make Javi left me. I make Javi left me and then later don't find out say me a breed and Javi say I no feel da. When Javi come back at town, Javi have a friend when named Kimani. All of them are Batman. Javi have one friend when named Kimani will live at Portmore. Me they have one little friend. Remember fear name you know. Me they have one little friend that me meet on Facebook. When me and Javi just start talk back as friend. Me, my friend, Javi and Javi friend named Kimani got Elsha. Then I tell them I still have feelings for Javi. Javi look like he ain't want to go back in a relationship with me. When we got Elsha, we left from Elsha and we go back over Portmore in a one little park like two of them live same place in a Portmore. They have one little park there so. Javi I look my blood clot friend. And it did late. Talk about him want to carry my friend over my yard. And him left me and Kimani in the park and carry my friend in a house. And she and a friend there because she get up and left me in a park and gone in a house with my ex and no see my ex. Then God in house go fuck. So me and Kimani go over Kimani yard and we go fuck. When Kimani tell Javi say me and
Me not lie about people, me hear that mash up phone story from Ivany already. You see me? So tell me how true to the thing the story them is and make a watch some more and then move on to the next.
him fuck the man in Javi out for one beat me up out of Portmore and put up on the earliest ride and send we go we yard. And from them time the Javi double triple time ate me. Until again me there walking in one club and Javi come my club and me nearly bust him up and beat up in blood clot out of club. Cause me take with Jago and phone from him. The same boy when him Kimani, I never did know say Kimani is a Batman either. One next day again, cause me and Kimani start talk now, you know. My friend, what's up? Me and Kimani start talk now, you know. And me go back over Portmore now for go look for Kimani. When me go back over Portmore for go look for Kimani and turn on my Instagram live me and Kimani the upstairs. Batman called Kimani phone. And say any you no come off alive and send me and me and them and come over Portmore come acid me. I mean, I ask him, hold up on the phone, dad. I shake, call my phone and say, Vanny, me I send a car for you now. Cause Nicholas them call Kimani, cause Nicholas them did a fuck Kimani and say a serious Batman they will come for you. And say shed a blood, she send a blood. If me and she had the French, she could have come bust it up. She probably have proof could have come show no. And she come blood clot, send care come for me. I go back over she yard and me never talk back to Kimani. The Batman them out for murder me. And that's why Nicholas don't like me, cause Nicholas say me fuck with a man, which was Kimani. When we're long at the party now, back to the story, there at the party now, I try to get my phone. She whisper in a maze and say, I could go because this Javi and blood clot Aki make them thief my phone because they see me a video in the party and think say me a video them and think say I go post it elsewhere and them thief my phone the night. I'm go and bad say me now left my phone and some Batman come up in my face and start chop me and start push me. And the owner own up a blood clot on his place I for come in and escort me out and tell me say me for go and the whole of them in there did one gang. Me a be a licking on my face me get. Be a licking on my face me get. Be a box. She could even. And me and she alone got a party as female. Me and she alone got a party as female. We're going to go see Akim and Javi. I thief my phone cause them things say me did that video everything was going in there. I thief my phone and me a go and bad say me want my blood clot phone. And she I say for come. I mean, decide say me now left. And me go and bad and start telling for suck them mama and the Batman then start box me up in my face and I push me so they will kill me. And me for come out of the club. And the owner for come and escort me out of the club. And me left the club. What you talk about? When me did blood clot thief was Benzema page. Me could talk about it. It was a scratch, I don't know why. When them the time them me and was. I mean, I try get was involved. When in the time the me and was did have one big problem over there in Jamaica, we didn't have some cuss. I'm a thief was page and going a was page. The reason why I was left Akima car was find out say Akima Batman. Latricia did know say Akima Batman and choose to still date Akim. She did know say Akima Batman too, you know. She know cause she dey run blood clot Nicholas them. And she dey run all the Akim Batman friend them. But two money are coming and Akim a spend pan Latricia. Latricia stay with Akim. The only reason why Akim and Latricia there, Latricia go fuck palm blood clot Akim and go suck off Tamili cock. It make me and Latricia the turn enemy. Cause me say what a dirty girl are doing in my camp. Never like her. Cause me and her a friend. And she go blood clot. She and her sister Onela or whatever the name. Go down a Mobile and go fuck Tamili. And I suck Guzu Hood. And he left on video and thing. And Akim find out about it and Akim left Latricia for fuck pan him with Tamili. And that make them left. Cause she didn't know say my Batman and still stay with him. When we go in a was Benzema phone. When me in our Instagram page. I find out say Akim a Batman make blood clot was left Akim. And it won the whole conversation. I made these screenshots of my conversation them. Now go on, I couldn't remember. Me these screenshot the conversation them. I'ma post it on was page. Cause I made it in the page. And when I screenshot everything, I post it on was page itself. And then she get police involved and talk about she lock me up. I catch my coward and gear back the page. And me give back what's the page, ask her. And me give back what's the page, cause them time them me did for travel. See me did for go Bahamas, go dance. And police did look for me, they on the hunt. Every minute police come and say for care back what's page, cause they know say me take a page, cause me go blood clot, go live on the page too. And then say they know say me did for travel. And I say me now go travel and they lock me up at airport, you know. I'ma text her and gear back her page and show the police them say me gear back. And she end up go live back on her page. And so come police they never out for me again. I'ma fly out and spend all one look 3 months out of the country and break Jamaica for a little bit. I'ma go through all of the message them with what's on Akim and talk about the situation. I'ma go through the message them too with she and Nicholas. And Nicholas and Akim did vex and never a friend again. Cause Nicholas did there with Akim and Akim go there with Snow. And Nicholas and Snow and a friend again. And them did have conversation about it and blood clot. Nicholas talk who go acid from who in acid and what's Benzema jar herself. What not talk about? Enhance used to par with Akim them too. Enhance used to par with Akim. Enhance always I say Akeem a batty man, but he never have no real proofs that Akeem a batty man. One video did come out one time with this particular batty man. I take fucking and batty and a so good. He come from Portmore, Enhance know him. Video go viral. Enhance spot that the batty man they are Akeem in a party and that make blood clot. Enhance the kind of cut from Akeem and a top. I don't know if them still talk now. But during them time they never used to be friends. Me, Enhance, Wassa, Akeem used to be bench and batty. Maga Akeem had a Portmore go sleep, go stay over there. Me, Enhance, what? But he get locked up one time when me and Shay did fight and Shay come over me yard for big stone me. Them did lock me up them time there. And Akeem and Enhance and Was Benzema come over do any park police station, come give me food and clothes and something. And when I come out of police station, I used to stay up. Me still never do any park, but I still come get close with Akeem them now. Then the time there, Akeem and Was just start YouTube. And me used to promote them YouTube for the YouTube get big or it big. Me used to promote the YouTube. And me make them bust on YouTube. Promote it on my Instagram because me did big on the whole of them. When Akeem and Was just start make them look a video. Why you think him and Was mash up? You think I just because relationship problem? And then a blood clot relationship problem. And then no, them I look at any other name thief my phone the night me I tell you. Me say mount a box me get mount a box and kick up me get that night then. For phone and then have my phone, you know. And then thief for me phone. And everything we are going. And when they take my phone, Akeem and Javi stand up same way and then just a look so in a party. Oh, you feel now one party with be a batty man and you're straight man. Shay used to do with one of them we a batty man too. And Nicholas come over there come stone out the yard and say man I see the boy. And Nicholas have all of them under one local control so. And let me tell you something. You see what you not understand batty man and all them power. A years of Akeem and Snow and just now. You see we want Snow to come expose Akeem, you will never see a long time them there, you not go see it. You will never blood clot see it. Snow now come out come class Akeem in no form or shape or way. A fair man that from the get-go. You see any woman, any female, where you see come round Akeem, Snow no feel no form or way about it. Snow understands say him is a man, Snow understands say Akeem is a man. Snow na make no farmer female get under fair skin for come talk out Akeem business. A years then there and a months, a years Snow Akeem a fuck on there. Snow spend pan Akeem like dog and Akeem spend pan Snow like dog. A film woman that you will never see Snow come out come say Akeem a batty man. It nah go happen. Cause Snow deep down Snow know say Akeem just do this for the money. Should him know cause man him know. He knows say Akeem do this for the money. If you don't know Nicholas a one Batman were rich, thinking rich. And Nicholas used to send for Akeem them carry them go Panama. And the thing them. When my sister Javi did start part Akeem, it surprised me. Never know say no Akeem from nowhere. Probably meet him in a scheme because one of them never Portmore over next door each other. No. Listen, let me tell you something. Bro. Nobody's telling anything for nobody eat for nobody. I don't know.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think, boy. Ivany, spill the beans, my people. Jaja. So, more hear them response here. Especially more hear figure it out, officer. You know what I mean? So, make watch some more, my people. Then move on to the next.
For nobody eat pan, but it's just the truth. Like, the truth is just the truth. And if a man them a Batman and for them life, you can't want to blame them for the Batman. But the truth is just the truth. The truth is just the truth. Batman normal in a Jamaica. I see Candy in a frock dress. Like Candy I walk in a one party, a man their party. I mean no straight man, and woman their party. I see they introduce Candy, the man Candy in a one party. I walk past, be a top man. I go in a dance. Batman is him normal in a Jamaica now. And I like one time when I used to shoot them, I used to buckle them, and then can't go there, and then can't. It toughest policeman them at Jamaica, Batman them they with the little rankers them. Why you think they mighty and bossy so? Them good have fuck it top, them good have fuck judge and jury. Them good have fuck sergeant. It toughest blood clot. Me did know one big old sergeant will live a town. Him a fuck one of Nicholas friend them. And that's why them prime, so them a fuck the toughest people them in a Jamaica Batman them. That's why it's normal. It is very much normal. The way you mean they do me like Naya. They know me. And let me tell you something. It's not the first me come cut. One time then they trigger me head and me have to come talk them business. There are screen records there. If you go back in a 20 what? 15, 16, 17, I remember, go back down. Yo, we see me used to cut one, I don't know what then they do me one time, you know. I made have to come bust it up one time pan live and talk them secret. And one of the time they made have one look prove when me did show one picture with Akeem and Snow them. And that's why I got the party then thief my phone. And I go in our page and find whole heap of thing. So you know, come talk about enough things about on the internet. Yeah. So I don't know where Rosealee feel like when she come go on like she's that girl. Rosealee, I'm telling you something, me be bestie. Cause your man, you fuck them.
Blood clot pitty girl, you see me, they take with your pitty girl. And I say dirty girl, we not got no blood clot, Mecca. Your blood clot say, I feel your pitty girl take with her, me come on. And me take the blood clot beat me for your girl. Eh?
Remember this.
What the man name? Me can't pronounce his name, but the man name ask the man. Everybody laugh over Rose. I cry, me cry. I'm not checking.
Oh, remember me and Javi did fight now. Yes, remember me and Javi did fight now. Remember exactly me and Javi did fight. You see the night when we did there in the club when we did that video myself and them teeth my phone. You see the boy will box me up in that club. When I Javi them friend will box me up in that club and I tell me if I left out that club, da. Me no remember who can merch this. Me did I walk up. You have Taboo right here, so a man named TC. You have Taboo Club right here, so. And when you drive, go up a little bit, one gas station there, so on the left. And then just as you walk out of the gas station, there goes one mini club. Me remember where club name, one club there right there, so, and downstairs there, so. Hold on. One club there downstairs there, so. Me used to work in a club. Guys, me know as a crutch me. I don't know why my nose are catch me so. Shit. My nose has scratched me. Flirt. It one name TC one man. Buju Bantan daughter, baby father own the club. Me used to work at the club there and one night Javi coming at the club. Javi coming at the club with too much man. And he coming at the club with one of the boy them where they chop me in my face up at the Batman party where me they catch him when they thief my phone. And when me see him coming in the club, me take my drinks and chew off a blood clot Javi. And I stuck on me and him start fighting them. Can I take out him phone and video me man him friend and me tell him to stop video me. And in there they have zoom in and me try jag away phone from him. And him jag him like him swings and me never get the phone. And the same boy where they fist me up, push me up in my face and box me up in the Batman party. Come up in my face one fight me up on the stage. And me have to take my drinks and wet him up. And then grab off of me. And the security come in and a pathway. And me and Javi out there out to kill one another to blood clot out of the front part there so. Out to kill him. And the two of them security escort them out. And me walk back at security and me and Javi out there out for fight. And then he take up 2 blood clot big stone. One stone me. 2 blood clot big stone. The boy took up one stone me. And me have to run go back in our club. I have to run go back in our club and the security lock the gate. The security lock the gate and he out there. And me turn on my Instagram live. Me turn on my Instagram live and a class him and I say, suck your mama, Javi, suck your mama. He there for me, they have thousands of people watching like and them type of famous on Instagram too. And he out there with big stone and I try flinging. He start flinging stone them off a grill. He start flinging stone them off a grill. And the security lock me in and me and him out for fight with the same Batman where push me up in my face. And from that day, there was the last time I figure it out mouth ever meet or me see him. One time I see him again, I like me see him on Instagram when him page pop up. I since him come over here on TikTok and start talking gyalis this and him gyalis that. Me join in live one time and send him to look at Anata and go about my business and him tell me thanks. I'ma go about my business. What I tell me say? Tell me that people them want me know, I just know them are there. I mean not tell if you believe, but the story is very much true. So Rosealee is not that girl. I don't make me ear call me up.
Hey, my people. Wanna see why Ivany no shame? I know nothing about her because she a come from a lifestyle where she have to just do some things to survive, and in doing those things to survive, things leak out there what change her life, where she have to just bowl and do whatever she have to do, you know what I mean, and just live the life open what she did hide. You understand me? So enough of the things them where you say she do right now. It's just a don't care attitude from then time that till now. So that's why I always did I tell the girls them say, yo, not everything gonna see Ivany do wanna follow her. You know what I mean? Ivany lifestyle different from foota one, and what we work for Ivany may not work for you. You see me? So let me know what you think, me people. Make her watch some more.
Don't let me hear come tell me say Batty man fuck me. Cause if you not get fuck yet, them kiss you. Me over here one screen recording when Diamond say, what you do Rosealee, me a cut cause me not get the fuck and you not get done. What we a do? So that means that Diamond you want to fuck for true, but a Javi not give a fuck. Cause the man them don't love pussy, the man them love bottom tighter than on the hole. Hello? You should have invite Nicholas and Snow over and see how fast the cock rise. Them the man the cock not rise round, you know. Them the man the cock not rise round, you know. The man them are using for fame and popularity. Them have it already, but them never have it over here. Them are using to get more popular over here. And them sister no a menke. Them sister no have the views. And you can put money in them pockets so them use you know. And Diamond and Rosealee are very much stupid if you don't think say Javi and Akeem sit down and chat about you know. You see just like how you two want to sit down and chat figure it out, as same so Akeem and Javi sit down and chat you know and tell themselves say them not fuck you know and them not this. But through them a man and for them loyalty more stronger and for you know, we not go hear for them secret because Javi will never come out come talk him involved in a battle too. And Akeem never come out come talk him involved in night too. But you know a woman who no give a fuck for run with a girl can no can go friend back a next girlfriend or no can turn her back on the live and get on the money. Notice every time when the series just start at Akeem page you have to subscribe to. Notice when the series are going at Javi page you have to subscribe to. At one time I see Akeem page get banana, I suck on me go over to Rosealee page. And they told them the on Rosealee page. Notice majority of the time, like if all them there over Akeem yard, Akeem live turn on and subscription on. And when people subscribe at Akeem page, all of that the money they go to. When film page get banned or something, them go over on Rosealee page and subs it. Same thing with Javi too. A man then just a use blood clot on another. That's why I'm telling you so you can't step to my standard. Me will forever accept the fact so you tell me say me can't hold a man. A man never run from me and me ever run them. Cause if you can't give me money, me I run you. Cause me see you on TikTok and you look like you have money and you spend and me take you up now and you not spend for me. Bye, gone. And if me get another one tomorrow, I introduce him to the internet, and if you can't spread my bed, bye. And if you can't change ice diaper, bye. And if you come near mouth food where you not provide, bye. And if me care you, me sister, you just want play games, mind game, you don't really want me, but you want to fuck me alone. And when you come on TikTok, you go like you don't know me, I tell people say you don't know me. Bye. That's why I not keep man coming up, me not take foolishness. Me not take a foolishness, so me not go forever have the man. Go on, you stoop low. Cause you so madly in love with man when I want to. Now bottom them like bottom. Akeem take your ass now, you know. Any inches here, any real jewelry, any name brand, Akeem take your snow. Rosealee mine Akeem mine snow. He's a fucking handicap. Father God, we ban me for that, you know. I love the TikTok shop. He's a stupid, he is a fool. And you not gonna know say my body man cause Akim known right now for tell Akim known for tell him business and Javi. Now tell them my business cause you say that the simplest thing on the bus out, did bust it out already. And the boy will box me up in the pan TikTok every day. Every time I see when Akim go to him, them my friend up till today day. Them my friend up till today blood clot day. All of them you see. All Akim mother knows say my body man. Everybody knows say Akim my body man. But you are this. Them have this. Everybody mouth seal because of this. I remember ask you something. I lick something on the hammer. Una know say Latrice have one friend. What that girl her name again? She slim. Notice how she ever class Akim say my body man. A Latrice a friend so. A Latrice a friend so. What's she name again? She travel come a town now and then.
How you reach another situation then?
Cause they said no go shop go buy pampers.
Me not understand.
You want pampers too?
Me not know what me have to do with Pampers. Me story not add up. How?
When you did a video, Rosealee in her pampas. When you video Rosealee,
talk to Vanny.
Barnes, if people they want to know, cause the people they must say you're wrong for video Rose. They must say when you did video Rose, if a pampas she have on, cause I'm afraid for you ask you. A pampas is a pull up she did a wear or a one bingo jaws.
I want bingo boy look pull up fish.
Me tell them, say why should I have on pampas? Me tell them. So she did junk?
Not a blood clot junk.
So she had up on the ground.
I don't know, probably need treatment special.
I saw one time, 2 times, I feel nice, but me not drunk yet. She know exactly what going on her. She just feel nice.
Rose just feel nice, all it up.
Just feel nice. Minds, me I tell the people them say, once a man drunk, you have to use the term and know when to use the term. You see when somebody drunk, a drunken person and know what them do. A drunken person we see all at 40-inch deep pool and go jump in it. So if Rosealee did drunk to a point, she would have strip herself naked, never have no jaws.
No, sir, Rose, let me tell you, you know, jump out of that, it just feel nice and leave them the daddy while I'm here for her. That's why I'm laughing at video. And then like in junk out time.
You want to do that one?
Did I fuck him?
Bye.
Come. Why? Why, I'm tired. Why? Me know. Hey, me know what me just hear, and me know you hear it too. Me know how to hear it too. Me know how to be alone. You wanna really that fuck it and that me hear unless something wrong with my ears.
Yeah, but I'm the internet in the car.
Let me take a sip and me down, Julio.
A lie. So, Vanny, how you what were you giving to the people today? 21,000?
Me say me tell them the story. Me finally contact the story when me catch Akim and Javi in a Batman party and then thief me phone card.
Yeah. Back to what me I say. Alright. You know why Rosealee not for talk about no, but Rosealee and Dama for sit down. Cause if you wanna get fucked, you wanna all shit up and piss up. If you
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Make you watch a bit more and then move on to the next. But either one, yeah, there's a lot to digest here, some people. Tell me what you think in the comments. Make we get back in it.
you get fucked, Dama, and if Rosealee get fucked, it wanna all shit up and piss up. Boop. You have one brown boy. You have one patty boy by the name of Nicholas. You see the batty boy when name Nicholas in brown, short, him have money or fuck. Nicholas and the one they where Akima talk to now. Where the Batman where Akima talk to? Where Batman name where Akima talk to? Again. The one of them got Panama. Snow. Nicholas and Snow, them are good friend. You see when Akeem used to left Jamaica and got Panama, and Nicholas him used to go to first. Nicholas fuck off the whole of them. And Nicholas have the money. Snow have the money too, but at the time just a come and Nicholas have the money, and then we got Panama and Nicholas buy them how much top shoes, how much top clothes. Then we got Dominica Republic. Then we got be a little small island, one little brown one named Nicholas. Him cuss me off one time, tell me how my pussy shit up, cause me the bust them secret one time, cause me spot them all the while. When Javi come in place and know about Akeem, Javi and Akeem no fuck, but Javi and Akeem a fuck man. So for everybody we have said Javi and Akeem there, the two of them not there, but the two of them there with man. Nicholas have one friend where Javi used to talk to. That the boy they have one big blood clot Tinkerbell tattoo in him back. And that the boy the Javi follow and go get the Tinkerbell where you see her so. And then Akeem follow Javi, both a friend. But we don't call it like that's a best friend tattoo. Notice the two of them have the Tinkerbell. Ask them where that Tinkerbell tattoo come from. No. Rose is the next one too. You gonna figure it out, you're gonna fight. You know must get beat up. You know that girl. You are next one too. You go like you're that girl. You know must get lick. Girl, go where you go. You're a man that. You're not a man. You're a woman.
I want them bust up our bumbo over there, see?
And you gonna Phoenix gonna put yourself in a blood clot.
Figure it out as a weak fence.
Well on the shit. She gone over Rose figure it out gone.
Over Phoenix, beer police and peer sitting over there. Me say I shot fire. Me don't know what true it is, but that's some here.
Jesus.
Somebody call me and tell me because somebody live over the scheme where they live.
Fresh drop.
Call me and tell me say, share here me live, me can't tell you.
Hold on the shit.
First Barney come and talk that story there.
Hold on the love.
Hold on, mama. Give me 1 minute. What you say?
Shot fire over Phoenix for you?
I saw me say somebody call me from over there, but me see it in the comments, but me didn't ignore it.
What if people say shots fire over there in the comments?
What if people in the comments did that talk? And me didn't ignore them. So somebody call me now, so when they live there. Baby, let me that phone.
Hold on the shit. Hold on, me. For make a report to that boy. Hold on the shit. No, sir.
I know this long time, but you know. So all them are going about Snow, this Snow. Snow not come to nothing. A snowman for years. Years them there. Nicholas they are there.
Done Rose, you know. May I tell you the truth, we got love, you know. I really want done Rose, you know, catch me a woman. I want hold some things, you know. I don't really want done Rose, you know. Cause me see me a Rose got blood class with sleep party, you know. And Rose think up the people in place and bathroom, you know. And everybody they pan them belly, I roll a laugh off I'm Swiss, everybody a laugh off I'm dirty, stinking blood clot, you know. And then me have to grown up for the girl and cry, you know, and can't close go get the blood clot, girl, you know. The big old pussy belly, crab in a barrel, pussy old girl, you know. Eh? When Rose naked is a disgrace. Rose got clean up a blood clot, mildew them in between in blood clot crutches. Cause I will strip and take a page and show Rose say, me nah no ratch crutch cuts and no blood clot bombs, but this get restriction. She out on a blood clot, but my work here is done. Eh? Me say I should have poisoned the blood clot, girl. That I should have done when they cook for me. I know that's such a blood clot hate me. The old wicked blood clot, girl. The wicked blood clot sour power. Eh? Rose smell like a spoiled milk. Eh? Rose smell like a spoiled milk. Eh? Rose smell like a spoiled milk. Rose don't want me blood clot drop me files them. I told me a woman and me don't want go in a blood clot this. Rose a portion to blood. Rose a portion to blood clot. Every time I see people live, when I call bumbucklad people. What call me for? What not call me for? Every bumbucklad time I see man for live, when I call man. When I call my phone blood clot for? When you man over here bring me down and tell me I'm a blood clot, all you not say nothing. You all up on TikTok hypocrite no blood clot. After me lower my blood clot standards to this shit pit. After me lower my standards to this woman here. Rose not no secret for me, I want naked in front of Rose. Me not on no rat cuts and bumps. Hey, I will draw down my blood clot just pie in a Rose. Rose no crutch, no depend blood clot me in a Rose. Rose, I will strip by your blood clot pie and make them do strip me in a Rose. Rose, me not have no rat cuts, no blood clot bump in a jankro. My skin clean in a dirty girl. Dirty girl go to the main Jew them for on your crutches corner. Rose, nobody can use bathroom for you because you think no blood clot. Rose, I carry my car front and fly take my blood clot car seat. Rose, me no want to do this with blood clot, you know. Rose, you know no secret for me, you know, Rose. Because I no want to tell you who for cut the time of you. Rose, go on, you know. Rose, go on and move your blood clot, you know. Because this your blood clot want, you know, Rose. Rose, you go like you're that girl. Rose, up here, man, be fuck you like that and nobody not fuck you. Rose up here, man, we fuck you like that and nobody not fuck you. Rose, you're wicked. Remember me here, there, Airbnb, Rose. And a 4 blood clot, man, you can't fi kill Jakes. And me tell us you can't. Me say, Rose, don't do it your baby father. Rose, move your blood clot up and then tell me I pray, girl. Hey, girl, don't make me bust it up over blood clot, yeah, you know. I regular pay, man, fi kill man and then take your money and near me. A 4 man, you can't fi kill blood clot, Jakes. And me tell us you not fi blood clot do it. Cause your baby father. Eh? And you plan up and talk about you push hand in a Jake's body wall and all these things. All of me I say, Rose, stop say them blood clot things because you baby father. You say God kill you true. Dirty wicked blood clot, girl. Girl, a long time you have an appointment. Girl, if me know say I say you poison your blood clot. You don't believe me? Eh? Not if your friend them no blood clot like you. You don't go like your friend them like you. Eh? Dirty thinking cola, Rose. Rose, I can't get back a picking them because you're wicked. You don't know? Your blood clot wicked. My rifle marker don't and suck out so. Cause the things that I see your blood clot when I have to keep in on me. Stinking girl. Wicked girl, I made the blood clot here behind me. I 4 blood clot, man. You can't kill blood clot, Jakes. Stinking, dirty, wicked, dirty Rose. Stinking girl, if you can't deal with Jakes for 12 years, I want to pay Jakes to kill, man. Remember, I know Rose. Remember the people them say they come up at the blood clot up at church about Westmoreland, you know. Remember you come to the church, you're going to call me blood clot. You know, can't hold me down, remember that prayer warrior. Hope you walk a blood clot, Rose. Remember that prayer warrior. Remember don't waste, you're going to the blood clot church, I come up with my name on paper. Stinking girl. Remember, I know everything stinking, Obia girl. Rose, remember, I know. I not go have the minions them you have. Can you go with the people them name pan Kangla parchment paper go kneel up your knee and light them? Remember, so we not go have the crowd, we go always boring because we natural. Stinking girl. You can't come by my mother prayer warrior. Alibi my mother prayer for me. Stinking girl. Stinking dirty wicked Rose. You can't do it man for 12 if you want to pay man to kill blood clot. Them a go like you're somebody. Rose, you're wicked. Rose, you're wicked. Rose, I can't put your pad good. Rose, you probably call me all man and go tell me say my time done, Rose. My time, Rose, if you lotion your foot and put your shoes and tie up a lace for your foot. Rose, I can't say your pad good. Rose, I made your ear behind me walk and pack up your blood clot garbage them. Come in and want the blood clot household come video and put your out stinking girl. You say, man, if me know say you come to the test, girl, me video everything and you become in like your girl, because me a girl keep up receipt. What you talk about, Rose? Rose, you think. Nobody can use style.
Alright, my people, so this is the latest with Diamond officer. His it look like say Diamond blood did a boil with people all of the time when Diamond did run Rosealee and figure it out and everything. Cause people remember when me I tell you say, yo, look on Diamond face when figure it out and take out the chain. You see me, Diamond face don't look pleasant none at all. But did I tell you know, say when them a do the Xmas gift and something, me tell you say Diamond face never did look 200 and me I say maybe because figure it out by himself, him own a chain. Come to think of it, come to hear from the short Diamond say she buy the chain. You see what I say? So people, a long time Diamond have things that bubble up in her, so make we hear what she say, cause she let out where she let out, where she can let out, I know she let out more. Boy, sorry for Rosealee.
When you use toilet rose, your skin left on the toilet seat. Me have to walk behind you and wipe you off, girl. Then I hear behind me, I have to wipe off your blood off a toilet seat. You want this, me and call me all. I'm here to call all Rose. Rose, okay, but bend down and put your shoes, yes, good Rose. Rose, every night the way you want fuck to blood clot, Rose. You run up all kind of delay in your dirty pussy. When we come in your room, if you come call, if you tell us we are check out your room, sting no blood clot. Me can't see blood clot. I be a whiteness upon the rose or the rose cover. Or you want fuck, Rose, I pay for fuck. Nobody know why your Rose. Rose, when I buy fuck, no man no want your Rose. Rose, buy BMW if you pay them. Rose, buy BMW. Every day if you pay 12,000 if a man carrying your BMW. That makes sense? You buy blood clot car. And every day you have to pay 12,000 if people carry on in your car. I'm here to come out. I'm here to come out with the old cars about your car no AC in our work. I'm here really to come out. And you want me to do this? You want me to do this because I never want to do this with you. Come talk about me all of my time up. Eh? Wicked girl, my time up. Rose, better go straighten back your up here. Because I'm not done. I start my blood clot start. Wicked stinking girl, all the girl will have your pitney. You chat to the girl like a shit. Remember the girl when go give back a pitney, you have to beg the girl like a baby. You diss up the girl and chat to the girl like a shit. And when the pitney when dirty stinking Rose. And me care go quote every time, dirty girl. Yeah, this up my blood clot on the night, save a life and never have car to drive. And it make no sense when buy no car. Because Rose, you buy blood clot car, you have to pay 12,000. Everything you want, nobody care go nowhere. Rose, you pay the man if you walk behind now. Nobody now walk behind if you not pay them. You not no ratings. Rose, you pay for ratings. You pay for people like you, pay for likings, you pay for everything, Rose. What you talk about, Rose? You that bitch? Rose, go bed. You need to go visit the blood clot doctor. Because something wrong with that, you say, you know. You don't have think mouth, you know. You don't have frozen arm, but your pussy think. Nobody can use toilet after you. Remember, you know, wicked, stinking, big, stinking, wicked girl. Remember, you got to sleep party, you know, girl. Girl, you think of the people in place, you know. And the people might laugh off at you, because you follow the people in bathroom, you know. And the people might laugh off at you, know, big, stinking Rose. And I cry really, I want a dirty, stinking girl. Go ask, what the man name, what the brown man name, yeah? Where can we? I really, I want my bad for dirty, stinking girl, you know. When one little girl, cut it like one girl, you know. Everybody over there laugh off a blood clot Rose, you know. Rose naked, every man laugh off a Rose. What you call it? Body shame Rose, you know. And I sit around at the pool, you know. And cut it like one girl and the girl say, Diamond. Go around and say, go for Rose. When me look at Rose, that me say, naked, Swiftly I laugh till in belly button, cry out. I'm a grown, everybody I laugh over Rose. Rose drunk and embarrass himself. I'm about real blood clot, you want and take up in clothes. I say, Rose, come on. Look how you make them and shame you and disgrace you. I'm going to see they come call me all. I still out, what the man name, the brown man name? I'm Carrie. Everybody gone left blood clot way. Me and you alone like two shame a blood clot, dog. See, I can't nobody no want carry home. Jayden fling out back and cut left way. I still only what the man name. I'm have to carry home. Him, me cuss and boy come straight at town ask the man. Mr. Rose, look how you make them do you. Look how you make them do you, Rose. Ask the what the man name, the brown man there. Ask the man, my cuss come straight at town and the man have to carry home. Nobody don't want to carry home. Everybody have laughing stock, y'all. My grieve. Oh, me low me standard for your dirty girl. Come call me all I mean no fit me. A clothes and shoes fit me. Baby na blood clot for me. All I can not for the half baby. Not for half baby. And you pitting them eat you. You can't even cook a decent meal and you pick them at all the rice stuff like a stone. Eh? You rather cook for man than cook for your blood clot pitney them. When they take with your blood clot pitney girl, it's same when they take with your pitney girl. And I say dirty girl, we not got no blood clot maker. Your blood clot say, I feel your pitney girl take where for me, come on. And me take the blood clot beating for your girl. Eh? Ask the one what the man name. Me can't pronounce his name, what the man name, ask the man. Everybody laugh over Rose. I cry, me cry. I'm having to clothes in, I go cover up blood clot Rose. Then take Rosie mimics and gimmicks and laughing blood clot stack. I'm a feel it to me heart. Everybody go left way. Nobody don't want to carry blood clot home. And yes, me know rebel them. I'm a rebel them never have no, I'm a pick your side, girl. Me no gonna make a girl and the people them burn you out and make a girl. And I have to beg the people to let it back in and make a girl. People them burn you out and I want to make a girl.
Alright, my people, we're going to watch a bit more and then we're going to end it.
Yes, me know rebel them. Me rebel never have nothing. Love all over rebel. I'm pick your blood clad side. And I got the people in match. And sit down with you and everybody. This man create a pussy wall. This credit you don't want to see you, girl. And you call me all and I no pitney. A clothes and shoes fit me in a blood clot, Rose. Nothing no fit you. Rose, baby no fit you. Clothes no fit you, man no fit you. Nothing no fit you, Rose. Rose, move your blood clot and after the doctor to pull your their kit. Pussy blood clot, Rose. Now come about me. You're out than a Rose, make your hands strip. Rose, I will strip over this blood clot with them take ticky live, Rose. Rose, my breast stiff in my blood clot chest, Rose. Go me beer, they brush boy teeth, they comb boy ear. Go me beer. Rose, me no want to tell you over cat, not over. Rose, no fuck your blood clot, me bust it up, Rose. Rose, they beg all Akim to suck your cocky. Rose, you about to suck all Akim cocky. When Akim tell us say nah, fuck you, go far as give me a suck off your cocky. Rose, move your blood clot. Move your blood clot, Rose. Look how you live because they cuss me. Eh? Look on blood clot. Rose, you're sad. You're pretending to be somebody. You're sad, Rose. Rose, you're sad. Nobody not like you, Rose. You're sad. I mean, I only blood clot girl really like you. Rose, I mean, me like you for my heart dirty girl. And not true me cause me go pretend wicked girl. Me like you for my heart dirty girl.